All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be the reveal of the winner for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway for those Sundown 6.5 component speakers. So real time, you're going to see me here. Well, not real time. It's going to be pre-recorded, but this is obviously just going to be one take. So no cuts in it, although it will be sped up when I'm entering all the entries because that is going to take a while. I don't know exactly how many we have, but there's quite a few. So I got my notes opened up and I got my window over here opened up for all my comments. So I'm just going to go down the whole list and enter every single username that was commented with a 10K giveaway comment. So without further ado, let's get started. Once I announce the winner, hopefully if you see this video, please reach out to me through my email, elgallobuilt@gmail.com, and then I'll get all your information, shipping information, and we'll get it sent out to you. And I will require you to send me a picture of you with the component speakers, and then I'll post that up on an upcoming video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these entries put in, and I'm just go ahead and start one by one. See how long this takes me. Right now it is 1:53. So let's see how long this is gonna take. So I am going to put some music in the background though, so it's not just boring for me, but I will mute it because I will get a copyright strike. So allow me to apply some music for myself for the YouTubes. We're going to go to YouTube and let's just do some Morgan Wallen playlist. So I'm going to have to mute it now and we'll speed it up.
Get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day.
All right, so all the names are in. I'm gonna get you guys closer over here see if I can get y'all in there. So I'm not sure how good it's gonna come up on the right. Let's see if I can squeeze in here. So everybody's name, everybody that commented 10K giveaway is on this side. You can expand this more so you see. I don't even know how many we have, but we got a decent amount of names entered. So now what I'm going to do is hopefully I can, you guys hear me really good since my mic was right there on the ground or on the table. All right, so now we're going to delete all these that's in here. We're going to select all the names up in here. And we're only choosing one. We're going to do a copy and we're going to do a paste. So everybody's name is in there. And then actually I'm going to make it just a little bit sweeter. So I'll enter the uh, the pictures here if you haven't seen, but I think for I'm gonna do another 10K giveaway prize. So what I'm gonna give away is a one of the new shirts. Here, let me go ahead and show you up here. This video is already got 33 minutes long. Oh, I didn't even show you the time. It is now 2:26. I'm not sure how long that took me to put on all those names, but I'm gonna do a second person swag pack giveaway. So you're gonna get a one of the new shirts. Have size small up to 4X if I'm not mistaken. So 4X brand Next Level Apparel. These are really good brands. If I have your size, if I have the size in the old logo, I'll go ahead and throw one of those in. But if not, this is just I'll just give one of these shirts away. I'll give one of the last logo stickers, these two logo stickers. I'm not giving those away because those came out in really bad quality. So I'm not going to do that. And then I'm also going to throw in a lanyard with also the old logo on there. So whole swag pack is going to go coming to another 10K giveaway winner. So this is going to be the first name being chosen for the. What should we do? Should we do the swag pack first, or should we do the speakers, or not the speakers? Yeah, speakers or swag pack. Let's do the swag pack first. So hopefully, if I choose your name, hopefully you don't get mad that I chose yours first because you could have won the speakers. But first name is going to be for the swag pack. So go ahead and write this down. The swag pack is going to get a shirt, stickers, lanyard, and if I have your size for the old logo, I'll go ahead and throw that in. So I'm going to go ahead and click for the swag pack. Swag pack winner is going to be, and it looks like it is going to be Blake Tipton 4916. Tipton 4916. You, sir, have won a swag pack. So that'll be coming your way. I'll comment or on the video on one of your comments, or hopefully if you see this video, you'll be able to contact me, email me, either by email or on my Instagram. So come and message me if you as soon as you can, and I'll get that swag pack sent out to you. And then let's see, we'll do another spin. Let's see. I wish I had something else that I could give away, but I can't think of anything right now. I have another set of speakers, but I want to actually save that for the next giveaway. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So I think that's going to be the swag pack and the speaker. So this is going to be for the Sundown 6.5 component speakers. And let's see who the winner is. We'll spin this. And the winner is going to be, what is it? Tom Collins 2932. So speaker. going to be a Tom Collins 2932. All right, so those two have won the 10,000 subscriber giveaway swag pack and the Sundown 6.5 component speakers. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Can't thank you guys enough for the following. That OBS videos has really been blowing up the channel. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. I can't thank Jeff enough for supporting me, helping me out with the channel, and blessing me, having his trust in me to build this OBS for his daughter. So again, lots of plans for this channel. Hopefully we can grow this even bigger. So maybe 15,000 subscribers will be the next giveaway, or we'll see. But we have blown up this channel pretty fast. So with that being said, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you keep liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing the videos. And next video, we'll probably get back on to the OBS, or I have something that I want to do for my daily truck. So I'm not sure which one is going to be next, so keep an eye out for that. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.